Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on your OPPO Find X9. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So make sure to use something that is not metallic, because when you use something metallic, just for an example the SIM tray, then you can definitely damage the port. If it's not damaged, then you will damage it. And now what you guys can do next, after cleaning it with a soft brush for an example, is unlock the phone and go over to the tools folder. In this folder you will have an app that looks like this. It's the recorder, and now you guys can simply click on agree. Now let me quickly get rid of this notification, and here we can check our recorder. So click on agree and continue. Now click on allow, and as you guys can see, everything's working. So let me stop recording. Let me record another one, and as you guys can see, everything is working fine. Here we even have the subtitles of what we're saying. And now what can we do is basically stop talking for a second. And as you guys can see, the microphone is still working. So what you guys can do next is restart the phone. So if we want to restart our phone, we just press on the power button and the volume up button. Now we need to swipe up to restart it, and as you guys can see, now the phone is being restarted. So I'll see you in a couple of seconds after it turns back on. After restarting the phone, what can we do is we can check for software updates to fix any mic glitches. So scroll down until you guys see system and update, and here go to the software update. As you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically, and if it does not say version up to date right here, then you have an update awaiting you. So we definitely want to do that, because whenever you do the update, then basically you will get rid of any micro glitches that were on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.